So let's make our lunchbox. What I'm gonna do here, I have here a variety of things, and you can do it to whatever the kids like it or whatever you like, right? I have some rotisserie chicken that I shredded, some street taco tortillas, a little bit of cheese, and a little bit of shredded cabbage and carrots, and some of the leftover avocado dip as well. So what I'm gonna do, I have this little container here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of the salsa to this smaller container. I'm gonna add some of the vegetables around. Perfect. We're gonna add some of the meat. And just a little bit of our dip as a topping. And a little bit of the cheese. And I'm gonna add our tortillas somewhere here. And we have our fabulous little taco lunchbox. It's a fun way of engaging kids in cooking and making their own meals. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you make these recipes at home. Remember to make them your own and use them as inspiration to try new things in your kitchen and involve your children in the kitchen with you. Thank you to Urban Health Plan, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.